here's my travel sketchbook. Just little scenes I sketched with color pencil. I remember this is in New Hampshire. And this day I was sailing and I was on the water. And these are the coast of Maine, rocky coast of Maine, and there's some pine trees, just quick little sketches. And these trees are from Washington State. This tree was broken, and I thought that was cool, and how it's missing branches, and it's missing bark, and then the bark starts down here. And this one, how it's got some dry branches with dead, probably struck by light. That was probably struck by lightning. I even made notes of the colors that I saw. There's bare spots, and there's no bark in places. And then here's bark, and this would be bark. This is a dead tree. The top is missing, so it's probably struck by lightning. And this tree was kind of random, how you have some greenery, but then you have places where you have branches where there's nothing on it. And there's bare spots for whatever reason. And this, I remember I sketched it when we lived in Washington State. We went camping, and there were little squirrels and chipmunks that was getting into our food. So yeah, it's a good thing to have a travel sketchbook, a small book that it's kind of old and worn. I mean, it's been through many states. I have been in, I have been in all but 2 states. So yeah, like 48 states. And so this book is old, and the cover's missing, and some pages have been torn out. But it's a wonderful idea to have a small sketchbook. And I have another one. This one's kind of different. Oops, there's a page of another tree that came from my little travel sketchbook. This one is in another sketchbook, and I do kind of different things with this book. It's not really a travel sketchbook. It's just when I feel like doing a little piece of art. Just sometimes it's just to explore. Here I was exploring color pencil and the effect of snow, how the colors just kind of fade away into the snow, into the whiteness. Actually, these are random sketches that I just sort of composed. It kind of looks like a picture. That was supposed to be a self-portrait, and that's my daughter. That I used this sketch in a painting. And so it's just random things. Sometimes I'm at someone's home and I see a photograph. I said, ooh, I like the way the light is catching him right there, and all that greenery behind him, and a little boy with his first fish. So I said, can I paint that? So sometimes I'll borrow people's photos. And that was just a plan to help a student. Oh yeah, a little sketch I made of a chicken that was partially developed in an egg. And I thought it was amazing how they actually opened up a chicken egg just so I could see. But yeah, this is sort of a different kind of but it's good travel size. Although I haven't used it as a travel. This is my travel one. But yeah, it's good to have small sketchbooks to take with you whenever, so that you can observe nature. You can learn so much about how to paint by just observing nature. I do work from photographs, but I also work from memory. And drawing, sketching, something that you see in the moment will help you to remember those details later, and you never know when you'll use it.